Hello, friends, and here we met again. So, as you might remember from my previous video, this was the same skirt, but it was with a black outfit, a black stockings, black high heels, and a shirt. And today, as you can see, I thought, why can also be pretty good. As you can see, what can I say? I mean, it does look different. Some of you maybe like this one better, others may like the other one better. In my opinion, I like both. They are completely different looks. But hopefully you enjoy this one as well. Same kind of thing. So yeah, as you remember, these are the shorts. You can actually wear pantyhose with these ones because it shows the stocking band here. So it you know. but yeah, otherwise it looks cute as well, as you can see. And welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am a content creator of different fashion trends, as you may notice. All my videos are pretty much all the fashion, different styles, and things like that. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. This helps me tremendously to grow this beautiful community even bigger. Don't forget to comment. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which outfit you like better, with black or white. Yeah, these bands are showing quite a lot, so maybe it's not the best idea to wear it with this type of short skirt, you know, if it's a little bit longer, then I think it's nice, right? But yeah. Again, with the glasses? No glasses? I kind of like it both ways. But definitely this gives out like a schoolgirl vibe. Don't you think? What do you think? Again, very summery vibe. Very easy to walk. These shoes are very comfortable as well. Some of you may like with the glasses. What do you think? Oh, and as you can see, it's also a crop top and white with long sleeves. So you won't get cold so much if you, let's say, wear this top even at this time of the season. This would need like a jacket, but yeah, crop tops right now. Definitely not with these skirts and not with the white stockings. The shirt can be worn definitely because it has that long sleeve. But yeah, I would pair it probably with I don't know, jeans, high-waisted skinny jeans, or maybe leather pants. I don't know. You can actually pair it with a lot of things. These crop tops, but it needs to be high-waisted. Yeah. So then the skin shows just a little bit here, and that's it.